In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freeform in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to create a custom shape instead of using the standard circles, rectangles, or arrows, the Freeform tool is a great option. It lets you draw your own shape directly on the slide, which is useful for diagrams, callouts, creative designs, or anything that needs a more personalized look. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding objects to your slide, including pictures, text boxes, charts, and shapes. Since Freeform is part of the Shapes menu, this is the first place you need to go. Once you're in the Insert tab, click on Shapes. This opens the full Shapes gallery where you'll see lines, arrows, rectangles, basic shapes, and more advanced drawing options. Take a moment to notice that PowerPoint includes many preset choices, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the option that gives you the most flexibility. From the Shapes menu, choose the Freeform shape. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear in the Lines section or among the drawing tools. The Freeform option allows you to create both straight-edged and more custom-looking shapes by clicking point-to-point on the slide. This is especially helpful when a built-in shape doesn't match what you need. Now you can start making your shape. Click on the slide to place your first point, then continue clicking to add more points and build the outline. Each click creates a corner or direction change, so move carefully and think about the overall shape you want to create. If you want a clean result, it helps to work slowly and place each point deliberately. As you continue, PowerPoint will connect each point with lines, gradually forming your custom design. When you finish the outline, close the shape by connecting back to your starting point. Once the shape is complete, PowerPoint will turn it into a selectable object on the slide, just like any other shape. From there, you can move it, resize it, and format it later if needed. A helpful tip while using Freeform is to keep your shape simple at first. It's easier to refine a basic custom shape than to fix one with too many points placed too quickly. With a little practice, this tool becomes a powerful way to create exactly the visual you want in PowerPoint. And that's how to use Freeform in Microsoft PowerPoint.